How to fix Instagram error problem. First thing, go to the settings and go into the apps manager. Now all what you want to do is just wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have in your mobile phone. All what you want to do is wait a few seconds, and after that search for Instagram like this and go into the storage right here. Click on clear data and clear cache. Go back and then click on this power usage details and make sure that power consumption alert is enabled, and then click down here on force stop. After that, go into the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Instagram and update it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.